everyone. I am Harshali Thakur and today I will be discussing Basic Beginner's Guide for Python. This tutorial covers key topics such as using comments, executing commands, importing packages, getting data, saving the output, and accessing records and variables. So let's get started. Firstly, what are the comments in Python? So, comments are basically the lines of text in Python script that are not executed by Python interpreter. They are used to describe and explain the code for better readability provided by user. It is yeah, so it is for a comment we use hashtag symbol. For example, here it is a comment in Python, whereas this print function will print the sentence which we are writing, but it won't get any harm with the comment. Let's try running it. And about multi-line comment, we use it's running. So it gives the output as hello world, which was printed initially. Now to write multi-comment line, we use this three quotes. Once again, this three, and then another three, and then I'll write something like this is a multi-line comment. Now let's try running this. Or more, yeah, so it doesn't give any error. Or write like more any words like line 2, line 2, then line 3. It won't give any error. So these are the comments. Yeah. Now executing commands in Python. So commands are executed line by line by an interpreter or in script. So in this simple code, I have given two variables with values 5 and 3, and now I'm printing the value of a plus v that will give me an output of 8. Now importing packages in Python. So packages in Python are modules that provide additional functionality to our Python code. To use package, we use. Now let's talk about how do we import packages in Python. We use import keyword to load the libraries. Also, as keyword, for example, if we have a really big name of library such as import matplot matplotlib dot plot s. So instead of writing this throughout our code, we use as and then write its shorter form, like we are considering this library name as plt. Now let's try running this, and it has successfully run it. Now getting data, how do we get data from any Python file? So in Google Colabs, I have this files icon. Let's click on it, and I have not submitted any file on it. So let's do it. I will click this icon, and then I have this data.csv present in my documents. I'll open it, and I think it's open somewhere. Just a second. Now let's try uploading it. Let's try to run that code. Yeah. So I have got this code running, and about the code, in the print data.head functions gives the value of first five values from the data. That is our CSV file. Now saving output. How do we save output? We use data.toCSV. That is, I will create an output CSV where index is false. Now accessing records and variables. So how do we access our records in records from a file? So here data is what our variable which we have initialized for pd.readcsv, which means it will read the data.csv file. And Here, this name stands for the column name. And just I've shown you this table. I have the column name as Harsha name, which has names Harshali, Amisha, Ruby, and then age and their age, vice versa. Now, this will access the column, and ILOC means it will locate. It will only return me the first row of that column. Yeah. So firstly we were printing the only column that was name, and secondly I am printing the data of isolation first location kiska hai. Like we have name with name first location we have name Harshali with her age 19. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.